You look like you're about to go work in like in the lumberjack business or something. That Grom key though. All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is Saturday morning.
Yeah, the wallet doesn't fit in here.
It does. I said this thing is a pain in the ass to get off.
No, it's just key and open.
No,
Pop.
it does not. It takes forever for me to get mine back on.
Well, it's the right. There you go. 2-3 seconds of struggle.
It took longer.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, today's Saturday. We're gonna go to Walmart, pick a couple things we need because it's a little chilly, and then after that we're off Dakota. So it's gonna be my first time riding a Grom. Oh shit! It's so small. You could just fling it around. Is it in gear? Oh.
Yeah, it kind of feels like it's a neutral.
Yeah, like it doesn't like slap in there. Dude, it's so quiet that this Grom can be like the getaway car because it's so quiet. Look. Grom. I think I'm too excited. Grom. Oh, just fucking ram into the fucking. Ha! I win. Patch is looking good on the back of Jess. Straight chilling. It's so funny because yesterday Pancho got spotted by a subscriber. So on my Instagram somebody messaged me, hey man, is this you? And then it was a picture of me riding with Pancho on the back. He's like, you got the that's your beard on the back, right? And I was like, holy shit, that's me, dude, what's up? Shout out to Pancho for getting recognized. Pancho got recognized before I did. That's pretty dope. Do these things pick up? Oh yeah, they do. How good is it as a U-turn? Oh shit, what's good? What's good? What's good? Oh shit! Back at it. Grum. Oh, I can put my phone in here. I never had a rut mount before. How do you? Oh, cool. What's good? New activity. Right, all edges. You trying to get me to move to Houston? Hell yeah, bro. This scene is fucking badass. Grum. 2,500 for a bike?
It's more.
Yeah, like.
The old one, like you used the old one, yeah.
I'd rather get more camera parts and bike parts for the R6. I do like the key though. It's like how do you lose that big black thing right there?
But.
Well, I have that prison mentality, stick everything in your butt. You ready? Let's go get some donuts. Yeah, if you want to stay warm, just get the biggest sweatshirt you can find in Walmart and you'll be set. Only cost me about $2. You're gonna fight Mortal Kombat style right now or what? Fatality? She has your neck, so I mean, you don't wanna argue with a person that. Yeah, so we're on our way to get some donuts and kolaches for the guys back at the apartment. As a thank you for letting us crash at their place and managing to fit 8 bikes in a 1-bedroom apartment. I think that's pretty impressive. We're actually waiting for 2 more guys, so that's 2 more bikes, so that's 10 bikes in total in a 1-bedroom apartment. I think that's pretty impressive. That's pretty dope. You never know how much shit you can fit unless you really try. Fuck it, let's go. We're so small we can fit anywhere. Let's go. Let's get him. Grom is love. Grom is life. Grom. Grom. Here you go, Jess. Thank you so much. It was a pleasure. I'm glad y'all rebuilding the bike. I'm glad y'all rebuilding Irie's bike. Alright, that should do it. Oh shit, sorry. Here you go. I'm gonna take it off. Oh shit! Here. It almost seemed like something from Saw. Alright, see you later guys. I'll be back. Pancho looking good. Let's go to MotoGP! It's so weird because when you ride somebody else's bike and then you get back on your bike, it feels so fucking weird. Like, what the fuck? Why is it so heavy? Again? God damn it! Somebody's cold.
Oh, I'm cold too, man.
What's up?
I said I'm cold too.
Well, come here. I'll warm you up, bro. I got you.
Cold.
I got you. I got you. Why don't you wear gloves?
Huh?
Oh, that's cute. Well, now I'm stuck. Ah, you fucking stalled out. You don't even need anybody to kill switch your ass. Nice photo spot over here. Going to the strip club, round and round she goes. To the strip club.
Round and round again, I'm going to the strip club. Round and round she spins, and I know it ain't right, but for just one night.
Oh, let's go. Not this time, huh? We're here, Circuit of the Americas. Budweiser, they're shooting, I think, a commercial. So some nice looking horses. Look at all these sweet looking bikes. Touring, sport bikes, cruisers. This is bike heaven right here. Alright guys, that was the end of day 2 of MotoGP, and let me tell you, it was an amazing experience to be here, to see everything unfold with your own eyes, to see these racers go down and do everything they can to get back on the track. That's true passion right there. And shout out to Josh Hayes for doing what he had to do to get back on the race. It was an amazing experience. I would recommend MotoGP to anybody if they have the chance to go to it. So right now we're heading back to Ariel and Dylan's place because they went for a ride, and so we're gonna see what we're gonna do tonight. Probably party, but I know it's gonna be fun. What's good? How's your bike?
We went hit the twisties earlier.
Wait, you finished the bike?
Yeah, that's done.
I gotta look at it. I gotta look at it. How was the ride?
Go look at it. It's sick.
The one y'all went?
You don't go no ride?
What?
What are you talking about? We didn't go no ride.
I can see that big ass smile on your face, that's for sure.
Adventure, that's what we did.
Dude, that's sick. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What kind of cover is that?
It's a rare cover. They're hard as hell to find.
She looks beautiful. Well, I'm just glad you're back on the fucking road,
I
dude.
pretty much put it all back together by myself.
Yeah, everybody was like, yeah, we'll help you, bro. And then you were the only one. Fuck, this don't fit. Damn it.
Oh,
Shit.
that's gonna
Yeah,
squeeze.
dude. Can you imagine?
Yeah, I cut my finger with a razor blade.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go rub, we're gonna go dance, and they're gonna go drink. Nice. I feel like a dick taking up 2 parking spots.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, right?
Oh, you're good. You're sober.
Oh, no. I don't want to.
I don't know if it's looking at him, but I'm pretty sure it is.
It's fried ice cream.
If you're hot,
No, but
I can tell you're sweating. You're all sweating, bro.
no. But in fucking in your town, he's gonna keep scratch for the cops. You know what I'm saying? They have fried ice cream in Yorktown. I never tried it.
Ice cream in Yorktown?
No, I never had fried ice cream, but it sounds intriguing. Huh?
You're crying. You're crying because I'm laughing.
Alright, let me just eat.
He's
Shut up.
crying.
This is some bullshit. This is some more bullshit because I told y'all. I thought it was a shot.
Why you get thrown out of shit?
Bro, I'll go ahead.
It's the one shot. Take 10 of those.
I fucking told you.
Good job, Travis.
I don't drink. I don't fucking
He
drink.
did kind of make them strong.
I don't fucking drink.
It is weird and going.
I feel like a snake. Alright, shut up, baby. You're good. You're fucking good. You're good, man. Stop it. You're gonna see. I need to come down from this because I want to dance. Fat ass. Fat ass.
That one is the strongest shot.
You know what's cool? We can waterfall and do shit. Like, I'm not stupid. No, but it would be cool. Like,
We be waterfalling.
no. It's close proximity to the military thing. A lot of people.
And then you choke up and spit all over.
Alright guys, I had a couple of drinks, so we decided just to go home because we gotta get up at 6 in the morning. And I feel I feel good. So we're calling it a night after Applebee's or Chili's or whatever. Whatever it was, it was good.
Shooters next door.
It was good food. That was the end of MotoGP Day 2.
Money would have spent at a bar too.
I will see you guys later.